There is no question the benefit that AI can generate. We estimate it will add $180 to $190 billion annually by 2030.
Good morning, Matt.
Good morning.
Thank you so much for being part of this CEO series.
Thank you very much. The honor is all mine. I'm grateful to be here.
PwC just came out with its Global CEO Survey. And this year, global CEOs are at 61% of optimism vis-a-vis global economic growth. Their Canadian counterparts are only at 47%. What do Canadian leaders need to do or focus on in 2026?
A lot of the focus of AI has been on building of the large language models and the investments going into building out AI data centers. And while all of that is critical, as I look forward to the economy in 2026 and in the medium term, the value is going to be driven by adopting and diffusing these capabilities in the hands of all Canadians and educating and training them so they feel comfortable using it.
More than 53% of Canadian CEOs are worried about the geopolitical situation. How is Microsoft Canada managing with this geopolitical uncertainty?
When I see these types of moments, it is helpful to take a step back and look at a bit of a broader view. There is no question how important Canada is to Microsoft. We've been here for 40 years. We have more than 5,300 employees coast to coast, and we help support more than 17,000 partners. But we have to face the reality that we're in, and that is a reality of geopolitical instability. And that's the reason we made such a major investment in December, investing $19 billion in Canada, the largest investment in our history. The investment is in technology, the investment is in talent, and the investment is in trust, ensuring that Canadians trust this platform of innovation to build our future.
And I understand that this investment is over a 5-year period?
That's right, it's over a 5-year period, and it is right here in Canada.
What do you see as the barriers to widespread use of AI, and how can Microsoft help?
The vast majority of organizations in Canada are deploying these capabilities, but how they're deploying it is very, very different. And how you deploy it determines the return you're going to get. We're helping companies become frontier firms and build a true competitive advantage with these capabilities, like we're working together on your 6,000 deployment of Copilot. And as we look at that, there's 4 things that are absolutely critical. The first is scaling across the enterprise. This is not about pilot or small groups of people. This is about everyone. The second is finding those cases that are truly inspirational, both inside your organization and out. The third, embracing agentic. Agentic is the next transformational wave in this. You have to embrace it. And then finally, there's no finish line to this. This transformation is continuous. What used to be a fact yesterday may very well be a myth today. You have to constantly invest and constantly build on these capabilities. When you do that, we see frontier firms delivering a meaningful return on the investments they're making. When you don't do those things, we're not seeing those returns.
So Matt, thank you so much for doing this and sharing these great insights with us today.
Thank you very much. It's been an honor.